Let's take a look at how to use the Purchase feature. First, click on the Purchase feature from the home page. To add a new product in the Purchase feature, click on the plus icon in the Select Products to Purchase section. Here, enter all the product details such as the product name, product image, buying price, selling price, and other related information regarding your product. Then click on the Add New Product button. Your product will be added successfully. You will be able to see all the products you have added in the list on the left side. Click on the Add button next to the product you want to purchase. On the right side, enter the total quantity and price of the product. You can also add the barcode and expiry date of the product. All the information can be edited anytime if needed. You can also add a discount and delivery charge. Next, select whether you want to purchase the product in cash or on credit. If you purchase in cash, enter the payment amount, supplier name, and mobile number, then click on the Payment Received option. Then you will be able to view the invoice, and if you want, you can also print the invoice.